My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi guys, Glama here. Welcome back. So today I am just going to make a short intro and outro for a vlog that I made on, I call it Gray Thursday, and I didn't take any footage of Black Friday, so I'll include the footage that I took on Gray Thursday. It was kind of like an afterthought. We weren't even planning on going shopping or anything, but we did get some sales, and I think it was last week, before it was even Gray Thursday or Black Friday, we saw some online sales that we ended up getting. One, to me, was a big purchase because I don't usually spend a few $100s on any one item. So I'll show you that. It's actually an iRobot Roomba, so I'll show you that and some footage of that. But we weren't planning on going anywhere Thursday or Friday. But then we were watching GMA on Thursday and we saw that they had some TVs, like a 50-inch for $179, and we're like, oh my word, Vanessa has a little tiny TV, we should get her a bigger one. And then I thought, oh, we should get Daniel one too, because his has a chip on the screen. So my son Daniel, he lives in another home about a mile away. So we go and we call Best Buy and they say they're going to be open at 10 a.m. We show up. They're not open. It's not going to open till 5. And meanwhile, when we get there at 10 o'clock, we see tents lined up, like maybe 6 tents or so, and maybe just 10 people standing out there. So we went back about 3 o'clock, showed up about 3:30, and you'll see the footage of where we ended up in line and everything. And the line was crazy. It was all the way around Best Buy and then around Petco, or in front of Petco, around the building, and then down the side all the way to the apartment complexes that were across the parking lot. It was nuts. So anyway, we ended up buying some stuff. You'll see what we bought at Best Buy. So yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna just let you go ahead and watch my little vlog, and then I will come and say goodbye at the end. Alrighty, enjoy. Well, we came to Best Buy because they said they were going to be open at 10 o'clock, and
come here.
So we didn't get to go to Best Buy, so we came to Denny's. Yay! We're all at Denny's.
You didn't get me smiling.
Just a minute, I'll give you my phone. We're going to put you in the high chair. You want to put her in the high chair, baby?
Come here.
She said hi.
She said hi.
Say hi.
Come here.
So I'm going to be having
There you go.
country fried steak and eggs. Oh, look. She's having chocolate milk for the first time. Do you like it? Do you like it? She's not sucking yet. There you go. Okay, so we came back to Best Buy, and the line is all the way around the building to Petco even. Oh my word. But we're gonna go stand in line for a while and see what happens. Here's the line. We're all the way around, where are we? We're around Petco, and what's the name of the store? Best Buy. My brain is gone. Best Buy's way over there, so we'll see what happens. So there's Adam, and the line is way back there. We're over here. We're about to round the corner of Petco. So, wow. Okay, we still haven't rounded the corner of Petco, but let's see where we are over here. There's the end of the building, and the line is way over there. The building ends here, and it's way over there. Wow. And there's Adam in line right there. Right there. Yay! We're we're rounding the corner. Hey, I came around the corner now. Now I'm in front of Petco. Yay, we're making progress. Here's the other part of the line. There's Petco and there's Best Buy. Way over there. Crazy. It's open. The line's moving. Yay. It's open. Open. Man, I need a dye job. We're almost there. Almost in. There's one of the tents still here. There were a bunch of tents here earlier. Now there's only one here. He zipped it up and went in already. There's an LG 43-inch for $2 something. Okay, so we're in here. It's not as crazy yet. That's the TV we wanted to get. How did they get one? They've got in here behind us. They probably just went and grabbed the TV without a ticket. They don't have a ticket though. They won't be able to buy it, babe.
Oh, sorry.
So yeah, it's a little crazy. I don't know, but we're just wandering aimlessly. So these are the Google Home Minis. 2 black ones and a white one. And it comes with $10 gift cards. So we got 3 gift cards and 2 TVs. And there's Adam all stressed out. And we've been in line for about an hour and a half. So when we were at Best Buy during Gray Thursday, I call it Gray Thursday because it wasn't Black Friday yet, we bought 2 TVs. They didn't have the one we wanted, the 50-inch, so we ended up buying like a 42 or 43-inch or something. But we took those back because the next day, which it was Black Friday, we found these. Even bigger and even a bigger saving. So we got this 55-inch 4K UHD ultra high def smart TV with Netflix and all these other goodies on it. So we bought one for my daughter Finesse, and we bought one for my son Daniel, and we even got us one. So we bought 3 of these TVs. There's 2 of the boxes, one for my bedroom, one for Finesse's bedroom, and we took one to my son's house for his living room. So we ended up buying those, and right now in a minute I'll show you what they look like in my daughter's room and in my bedroom. So here it is in my bedroom. It doesn't look that big in here, but in my daughter's room and in my son's living room, it looks huge. I think it's because it's up high. It doesn't look as huge, but it's pretty big. And I love that it's got a silver trim around it because it matches the blingy stuff in here. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Let me see if I can, let's see if my daughter has hers turned on so you can see what the picture looks like. It's a Sharp TV, and I'll take you to my daughter's room now. Did a little bit of Cyber Monday shopping. I showed y'all my necklace where I put my grandbabies' names on it, 5-name necklace with all my grandbabies on it. Now I ordered myself a bracelet and it's gonna say Glama, and I ordered a necklace with my name Glama on it. So yay, can't wait for that to come in. And here is where I put one of the Google Home Minis right here. Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 2:51.
Okay Google, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey Google, will you be my best friend?
Of course. You're like the Earth to my moon. We make a great team.
I love talking to Mr. Google. I changed his voice to a man instead of a woman. So I'll go show you where I have the rest of my Google Home Minis. I have one here in the kitchen. Hey Google, what is the temperature?
In Castroville, it's currently 78.
So there's 3 of the boxes that I bought, the Google Home Minis. I'll go show you where I put the rest of them. But I bought 6 of these Google Home Minis. They were only $29, I believe. And with each one that you got a $10 gift card. So we actually applied it towards the purchase of all the stuff we bought. So I got 6 Google Home Minis and I got 6 $10 gift cards. I'll go show you where I put the rest of them. Okay, and here's the one in my bedroom. Let's see if this one is working for me today. Hey Google, tell me a joke.
One joke. Coming up. Where does a general keep his armies? In his sleeveys.
Oh my goodness. Hey Google, tell me another joke.
This might make you laugh. What kind of music do bunnies like best? Hip-hop?
So silly. But they do make me laugh because I'm silly. And here is where we have the other one. I got a black one for this room. Hey Google, how old am I?
You are 53 years old.
Hey Google, what's my name?
Your name is Glama.
Okay Google, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, I'm back in my beauty room. So those are the 4 well, actually I showed you one in here, which is called Glama's beauty room, and then the living room, and then Glama's bedroom, and then the kitchen. So there's 4. And then I bought a dark gray one for my daughter's room, and I also bought one for my son's house. So I bought 6 of them, but I love them. All right, so let me show you something else that we got, but I didn't get it for Black Friday. We ordered it because it was on sale for Black Friday, but we ordered it last week, so we got like a $200 savings on it. Let me go show you. So this is what we got, also on a Black Friday sale. It's an iRobot Roomba. Yay! I love it. Absolutely love it. And it does such a good job. So, I know this is weird, but this is under my bed. I don't see 1 ounce of dirt down there. Yesterday, I had my Roomba come into my bedroom, and I have such a hard time sweeping under the floor. Well, usually, because we have a German Shepherd, there's usually balls of hair down there. So there is not 1 ball of hair down there. It is such a good Roomba. I love it. It's going into my beauty room. Okay, so yeah, we ended up buying those 2 TVs. They weren't the sale that we went there for, but the sale that we went there for, we didn't realize were ticketed items. So probably only like a handful of people, maybe 2 handfuls of people, 5 to 10 people got there for the ticketed TV item that I wanted, the one that was a 50-inch for $179. Probably just the people in the tent got it, the ones that were sleeping there. But I ended up getting 6 of those Google Home Minis. I love them. They're so awesome. Usually I want to find something out and I'm like, oh, I'll ask Google later, you know, because you usually have to type it in or stop what you're doing just, you know, to say it and hit the button. Well, this is so cool because all I have to do while I'm thinking that I have a question about something, I just have to say it. Hey Google, what is the day gonna be like? And it'll answer you.
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help with that yet, but my team's helping me learn.
That's funny. See, no matter where I am in the room, since I have one in every room now almost, I can just ask it and not have to say, oh, I'll find out later, and then I forget. With my memory, I forget everything. So I'm just so happy. And Finesse, my daughter, loves her Google Home Mini. And my son's wife, Jemmy, loves hers. And so the next morning after we got them, I talked to Jemmy and I talked to Finesse, and they were both saying, oh my God, I've been talking to this thing like crazy. My voice is hoarse. We're having so much fun learning all the things it can teach us. And it's just so awesome. I love that I can... I just was asking it everything. I didn't know what it could do, so I was just asking it, hey, tell me a joke, and it told me jokes. I said, do you know how to play any games? And it played games with us and stuff, so it's so fun. I love it. So anyway, I just thought I would insert this vlog into a separate video. I'll probably include it also in my November's month in my life video as well, but I just thought I would make a separate video for just this. And yeah, down in the comments below, let me know what you got on Gray Thursday or Black Friday or Cyber Monday even. Like you saw in the video, I ordered a couple of things. So I love my 5-name necklace, so I went back on there and I got one. Hopefully that'll fall about here that says Glama, or maybe I'll wear it at different times so it's not too gaudy. Ooh, my nails are bad. And I also got a bracelet that's gonna say Glama, so I can't wait. I'll show y'all when I get it. Alrighty guys, so yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all go, and I have more editing to do. I put my daughter's makeup on for her, was it Sunday? Was it yesterday? No, it was Saturday. Saturday, she spent the night, Friday night and Saturday night, and so we were gonna go shopping again. And so I did her makeup and I thought, hey, let me just film it. So that's the video that I'm editing right now that you'll be seeing really soon. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, bye. Mwah.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.